Versatile is a Canadian agriculture machinery manufacturer. The company was founded in 1963 by Peter Pakosh and Roy Robinson of Winnipeg, Manitoba in Canada. At one time, it had 70% of the four-wheel drive tractor market. Versatile was the first company to mass-produce articulated four-wheel drive tractors, starting in 1966 with a D100 and G100, both with 100 horsepower, one being a gas engine and one with a diesel engine. These groundbreaking tractors were primitive by today's standards, with a 6-cylinder diesel or a 5.9-liter V8 Chrysler gas engine producing 100 horsepower. The 1966 model sold for less than $10,000 Canadian. Versatile is a division of Buehler Industries, Inc., and it is the only Canadian manufacturer of agricultural tractors. At one time, Versatile was owned by Ford, and so they were building blue four-wheel drive tractors for their lineup. The factory in Winnipeg, Manitoba, covers almost 700,000 square feet with a complete manufacturing and assembly capabilities and full research and development facilities. Versatile also has a rural 40-acre test site with a paved quarter-mile circuit and bump track just outside of Winnipeg. There are the Versatile tractors that were manufactured between then and now, but I haven't found any of them to get photos for myself. The photos in this video are ones that I have taken over the years. This video will show most of the tractors manufactured from 1966 to 1995. I hope you will enjoy the walkthrough with these vintage Versatile tractors.
We've got Dennis Bowl of Winnipeg, Manitoba on the G100. That's the Versatile's very first four-wheel drive, and we got it here at Dennis Equipment Parade for 2003. Thank you, Dennis, for that through.
During their history, Versatile also built pull-type and self-propelled swathers, along with harrow bars, pull-type and self-propelled combines. These were, however, short-lived as they did not sell all that well. They also built high-clearance sprayers for a few years. I plan to do another video of the later model tractors built after 1995 that Versatile has and is currently manufacturing. I hope you enjoyed the trip back in time to see some of the early four-wheel drive tractors from Versatile. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have yourself a good day.